Is it the right time to make a move on Google stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 14, 2023, our system has identified Google as a promising investment opportunity with a score of 1.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.7%. This means that, on average, it has provided a daily return of 0.35% since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that we can expect further movements within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 0.568% change in the next 3 months. The possible return falls between minus 10.15% and 3.08%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 57.85% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 46.07% to 70.25%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $199.21 to $232.18 after a year. Our latest update for Google reveals a positive development. The stock gained 0.701% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, Google's stock price rose from $135.43 to $136.38, experiencing a fluctuation of 1.12% throughout the day. It reached a low of $135.33 and a high of $136.84. It's worth noting that the stock has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a 6.91% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 15 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.07 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $142.38, while the lowest was $85.57. Currently, the price is 4.21% or $6 below the 52-week high and 94.6% or $2,390.61 below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when it reached $2,526.99. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Google, symbolized as GOOG. On October 25, 2023, Needham, a well-known analyst firm, gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to July 26, 2023, Susquehanna, another reputable analyst firm, assigned Google a positive grade with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank, a respected analyst firm, gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Let's go back to May 24, 2023. JMP Securities, a leading analyst firm, granted Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse, a prominent analyst firm, provided Google with a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general recommendation of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Google's stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Google. The stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In terms of support, the stock has some levels at $133.84 and $134.22. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.52%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 167 days ago. Remember to visit our page on StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for Google's stock. Let's start with the downside. The stock currently has support just below its current level, specifically at $126.67 and $123.44. Support levels are important because they indicate a price at which there is significant buying interest and can act as a floor for the stock. However, there is also a risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In Google's case, the next support levels would be at $126.67, followed by $123.44 and $123.40. It's also important to consider the risk associated with trading this stock. Google has average movements during the day in good trading volume, making the risk level medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $1.51 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 1.12% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 1.63% per day. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's begin by examining some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio falls within the range typically observed for businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, Google's first resistance level is at $136.74. If you're not a shareholder yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a move. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Google, according to multiple analyst sources, is a buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -71.129. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $131.87, which represents a decrease of 3.31%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 86, indicating a higher level of risk. However, it's worth noting that there was a buy signal from a pivot bottom 13 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals, it seems that the current level of Google stock may offer a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for it to perform well in the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 16th, we expect Google stock to open down by $0.197 and start trading at $136.18. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be used as the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know your target for the stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and hoping you have a beautiful day.